At closing, Sensex was up down by -0.78% or -638 basis points, and Nifty was down by 0.87% or -219 basis points. Likewise, mid-cap and small-cap closed at -1.85% and -3.27% respectively. CG Power and Industrial Solutions Limited was the top BSE gainer today, followed by Supreme Industries Limited, LTI Mindtree Limited, AU Small Finance Bank Limited, and Persistent Systems Limited. On the flip side, Rail Vikas Nigam saw the highest decline, followed by Varun Beverages Limited, Paytm, General Insurance Corporation of India, and Tata Power Company Limited. Advances in BSE index today was 636, whereas there were 3,422 declines and 120 unchanged. Nifty fell for the sixth consecutive session, closing at its lowest level in over a month on 7th October, down 0.87%, 218.9 points. Cash market volumes on the NSE remained flat compared to the previous session, with broad market indices declining more than Nifty amid low advance decline ratios. Asian markets experienced gains on Monday, buoyed by a strong US jobs report that suggested a stable economic outlook, alleviating concerns about the economy. European markets displayed mixed results on Monday, impacted by signs of weakening German factory orders, which fell the most since January amid rate-sensitive sectors. Nifty formed a long bear candle on Monday, indicating continued downside momentum as it dropped below the previous bottom, suggesting sustained weakness ahead. Nifty may encounter resistance at 25015, while the support band between 24347 and 24,367 could offer protection in the near term.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.